Tuesday, the Angels will finally receive the spoils of their victory. The rings valued at about $15,000 apiece. Now, the players have not yet seen these designs, but ESPN has. We're sneaky. We recently went north of the border to Calgary to see how Armenian jeweler Miran Armutlu makes lifelong dreams shine.
Welcome to Intergold, where we've had a very busy off-season producing the World Championship rings for the Anaheim Angels. What you're seeing here is the artwork stage. Before we do anything, we need to get into choosing the different sides that are going to be incorporated into the ring. I'd say we proposed between 80 and 90 different versions. At the end of the day, it's their story, and we wanted it to be very unique and different to them. At this stage, the milling machines create the actual mold from which the rings will be made. These machines are $500,000 milling machines that use cutters that are accurate to 1/1,000,000 of an inch. The finest cutter that we use to create some of these molds are 1/10 of a human hair. Once the molds are cut, we move to the next stage of the process, where the molds are injected with wax to create a wax impression of the ring. The molds are injected with wax at 350 degrees at about 120 to 130 psi of pressure. It takes approximately 5 to 7 seconds, and the end result is a wax impression of the ring. Liquid plaster is poured over the wax molds. The hardened plaster is placed in these ovens, where the oven reaches 1350 degrees, at which time the wax is eliminated. We shoot 14 karat gold into the plaster molds. That's about 1780 degrees. This is what gold rings look like before they're polished. They have absolutely no luster. You probably wouldn't pick it up off the street if you saw it. It's not until the gold is polished where it takes on a full luster and turns into something you'd want to wear. Each ring is comprised of 4 pieces. He's using a 14 karat solder, which melts at approximately 1600 degrees to bond the pieces together. Each ring contains 57 diamonds and 15 rubies for a total gem weight of over 3.5 carats. Each stone is individually measured and set by hand. This is probably the longest part of the manufacturing process, where it takes about 5.5 to 6 hours to set each ring. Et voila, the finished product. It's taken 68 craftsmen 30 days to complete the project. The ring weighs 60 grams compared to a normal wedding ring of 5 to 6 grams. One side of the ring has the player's name and the year. The other side has the Angels' first championship over the replica of the stadium. And the fattest finger award goes to Mike Sosha at size 15.